Rewire your mindset for real wealth. Welcome to Profit DNA.
What makes this system powerful is that it works with human behavior instead of fighting against it. Most financial advice assumes people will act rationally at all times. It assumes perfect memory, consistent motivation, and emotional neutrality. Real life does not work that way. People are busy, they are emotional, they get tired, they make decisions under pressure. Any financial plan that depends on constant awareness and restraint is fragile by design. A well-designed system assumes imperfection, it assumes distractions, it assumes bad days, and it continues working anyway. This is why automation is not just a convenience, it is a structural advantage. It removes the need for daily discipline and replaces it with consistency. Once money is automatically directed towards its intended purpose, the question of whether you will do the right thing largely disappears. The decision has already been made. This shift from managing money actively to managing it architecturally is subtle but profound. Instead of asking, "Do I have enough discipline?" the question becomes, "Is my system designed correctly?" That is a much more solvable problem. A well-designed financial system is predictable. It creates stability even when income fluctuates or expenses arise unexpectedly. Because priorities are already encoded into the flow of money, short-term disruptions do not derail long-term progress. This predictability builds confidence. Over time, people stop feeling anxious about money, not because they have unlimited resources, but because they understand exactly what is happening and why. They trust the system they have built. That trust is essential. Without it, people constantly second-guess themselves. They delay decisions. They oscillate between oversaving and overspending. They feel behind, even when they are doing reasonably well. Clarity removes that noise. When each dollar has a defined role, money becomes quieter. It stops demanding attention. It stops creating internal conflict. This is especially important when it comes to investing. Investing often feels intimidating because it is framed as complex, risky, or requiring expertise. In reality, the most important factors are simple: consistency, time, and automation. When investing is automated, it stops being a question of timing or emotion. You are not deciding when to enter or exit the market. You are not reacting to headlines or short-term volatility. You are participating steadily. This consistency matters far more than perfect decisions. Markets move unpredictably in the short term, but historically trend upward over long periods. Automated investing takes advantage of this reality by removing the temptation to react. It allows time to do the heavy lifting. This is why people who automate their investments often outperform those who try to manage them actively, not because they are smarter, but because they interfere less. The system protects them from themselves, and that protection compounds. As investments grow, the psychological benefits increase as well. People begin to see progress without constant effort. They feel momentum. They gain confidence in their future. This confidence changes behavior. People with stable financial systems are more willing to invest in themselves. They take calculated risks. They pursue opportunities. They are less driven by fear and scarcity. Money becomes a tool rather than a source of stress. This is where conscious spending plays a critical role. Without a clear framework, spending often feels like a moral test. People label purchases as good or bad, even when those labels do not reflect personal values. This creates unnecessary tension. Conscious spending reframes the conversation. It asks a simpler question: does this matter to me? If the answer is yes, spending is intentional and supported by the system. If the answer is no, cutting back is easy because it doesn't feel like sacrifice. This approach eliminates the false choice between responsibility and enjoyment. You do not need to choose between saving for the future and enjoying the present. With the right structure, both can coexist. Enjoyment is not the reward for discipline. It is part of a balanced system. This distinction is important because deprivation is not sustainable. Systems built on restriction eventually collapse. Systems built on alignment endure. Over time, conscious spending sharpens awareness. People become clearer about what they truly value. Money begins to reflect identity rather than impulse. This alignment is deeply satisfying. It also makes financial growth more resilient. When people enjoy their lives while building wealth, they are far less likely to abandon the system during stressful periods. They stay invested, both financially and emotionally. The result is not just better outcomes, but better experiences along the way. And this brings us back to the central idea. Financial success is not about heroic effort. It is not about perfection, discipline, or constant optimization. It is about reducing friction. It is about making the right actions easier than the wrong ones. It is about designing a system that works in the background, quietly and consistently, while you focus on living your life. When money flows automatically, decisions decrease. When decisions decrease, stress decreases. When stress decreases, clarity increases. This is the real payoff. Not just higher balances or better returns, but a calmer relationship with money. A relationship built on trust, structure, and intention. You do not need to overhaul everything at once. Small changes to the system can create outsized results over time. A single automated transfer, a reordering of priorities, a clearer definition of what matters. Progress compounds just like money does. The goal is not to control every dollar. It is to control the system that moves them. Because once the system is right, behavior follows naturally. That's how sustainable financial growth is built. Not through discipline, through design. And that is the principle that changes everything. Design beats discipline.